Hello and welcome to DelphStack. Today, I will show you how to fix the DISM error 02 in Windows 11. First, we will run a system file check. Press the Windows key and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the command window, type sfc scan now and press Enter. This will scan your system for any corrupted files and automatically repair them. Wait until the process finishes. If the issue is not resolved, the next step is to use the DISM tool. Open the command prompt window again, type DISM, online, clean up image, restore health, and press Enter. This process may take some time. It will repair your system image and fix any underlying issues that SFC could not repair. If the error still appears, you can reset your PC. Go to Settings, then click on System. Scroll down to Recovery. Under Recovery Options, find Reset this PC and click on it. You will be asked to choose between keeping your files or removing everything. For a complete fix, select Remove Everything. Make sure to back up your important files to a cloud service or an external disk before this step. During the reset, choose Cloud Download. This will download a fresh copy of Windows 11 and give your PC a clean start. Once the reset is complete, your error should be resolved. That's it. Thanks for watching.